So Samsung has some tricky shortcuts which are confusing for a lot of people. So let's jump into it. To get a background, first of all, you have to be on a video call. To set the background, you will go to Settings. And once you're at Settings, you'll see this called Advanced Features. Once you click on Advanced Features and scroll down, you'll see Video Call Effects. In Video Call Effects, you'll see background color and background image. You can set a color and an image. And to enable the background, you will open up your quick setting and make sure to extend it, the full extended version. And in your top left corner, it will say Video Call Effects right underneath the date. And once you click Video Call Effects, you'll see three options: background, face, and auto framing. You'll click background, and there's blur, color, and image. So we can click blur to get a background. And to get rid of the background, you're just going to simply press none. And there you go. That's how you get a background on a Samsung Galaxy. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.